That's a big snook. That's a big snook. That's a long, that's a nice snook. No. Get out of there, buddy. Okay. That's a big girl. Big girl. She's pissed the freak off. Ew. Come on, baby, just stay on. I'll let you go. I'm not gonna keep you. Don't roll this into your gills, please. Please. Please, Mama. Beautiful fish. You gonna stay calm for me for a minute? Thank you. Phew. Healthy lagoon snook, man. He even looks clean. She. Yes. Alright, on the artificial too. I knew you were lurking. Look at that. Look at that butt. Let's get a picture for You weren't getting free at all. I know, Mom. I'm gonna get you out here in a second. That was a beautiful hook set. Alright, let's go. Don't slap. I'm just gonna measure you. Then I'll let you go. You're a chunky monkey, huh? You're slot all day, I'll tell you that. 29. 29, baby. Ew! Beautiful fish right there. Beautiful fish.